Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs following an easy guide. First, select a wide, shallow pan and fill it with about 2 inches of water. Add a small splash of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set beautifully. Gently bring the water to a simmer, ensuring it is not boiling vigorously. This careful preparation is key to achieving a tender, perfectly shaped poached egg every time. Now, crack each fresh egg into its own small ramekin or bowl. This makes it easier to introduce them to the water. With a spoon, create a gentle swirl in the simmering water. This helps the egg whites wrap around the yolk. Carefully slide each egg into the center of the swirl. Allow them to poach for approximately 2 to 3 minutes for a wonderfully runny yolk, or a little longer for a firmer set. To check for doneness, the egg whites should appear fully set, while the yolk remains beautifully soft and liquid inside. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each poached egg from the water. Allow any excess water to drain away for a few seconds. Then, transfer your perfectly poached egg to a plate. Serve it immediately on a piece of crispy toast or alongside your favorite breakfast or brunch dish for a delightful meal. For consistently perfect poached eggs, always use the freshest eggs you can find. They hold their shape much better. Avoid overcrowding your pan. If you are making several, poach them in small batches. Remember to maintain that gentle simmer throughout the entire cooking process, as a rolling boil can break the eggs apart. Finally, season your delicious poached eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.